abs, abs, and more abs, this is the workout for you. My name is Zach. I'm your coach. Give this video a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Got lots of workouts coming your way. You just need a mat and a positive attitude, and let's fire up our core. Like, this is a no joke ab workout. You will feel it everywhere. Roll down with control, vertebra by vertebra, all the way onto the mat. All right, have your feet flat onto the floor, hands behind. Let's curl up and down. So right away, we're in this ab crunch, chesting going up and down, lift, lower, up and down. Here we go now, lift. So this is all about just high volume reps upon reps, okay? So if you need to take a pause, you do so. Lift, lower, lift, and lower. Great. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and float your knees to tabletop. Continue. Up, down, chest, lift, lower, up, down. And every time we do these curls, think light hands. You want those elbows to stay wide. Collarbone lifting and lowering. Up, down. 4, 3, 2. Great work so far. Let's hold at the top. Hover one leg to the floor, bring it back to center. Other leg hovers, bring it back to center. Tempo, take it down. Tabletop, hover. Tabletop, hover. Tabletop, 1 and 2. So nice long legs. Hover, center, hover, tabletop. All right, 8, 7, 4 more, 4, 3, 2, feet back to the floor, back to curl, up, down. Ooh, I'm feeling the burn, already. Try not to tug. Eyesight always looking through the thighs, through the knees. 3 pulse. Back down again. 3, 2, 1. Back down. 3, 2, 1. All right, can we pulse to finish these crunches? Little pulses. Pulse, pulse. Up, up. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down, knees to chest. Take your legs to the sky, hands underneath your tailbone. Cross the ankles under, over, just like this. Start to lower your legs into a low diagonal, under, over, under, over. If you want a challenge, you can lift the head, neck, shoulders off the mat, looking through the thighs. You do want that extra challenge, but you can always keep head to floor. Double time your feet. Tempo, 1, 2, 1, 2. Under, over, under, over. Breathe, 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 breathe. 4, 3, 2. Flex your feet, heel beats. Hit your heels together. 1, 2, 1, 2. You have a more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Heels together, thighs apart. Butterfly crunch. Lift the chest up and down so your knees are wide. Chest up and down. Lift, lower, curl it up, down. Exhale. All right, the fire is there, my friends. I hope you're feeling this as much as I am. I'm just making it look easy because I'm smiling through the pain, but trust me, it is like burning up. Lift and lower, up, down, exhale up. Come on. Let's pulse to finish. 1 and 2 and up, up, inch by inch. Lift, lift. Here we go, arms in front. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and all the way down. Oh, all right, feet on the floor, hip distance. Give me a big bridge, and all the way down. You got one more song, okay? One more track. Hips go up and down. Nice. Float your knees back to tabletop position. Lift your head, neck, shoulders off the mat. Hold. Take your opposite arm. I want you to slice it back down. Slice. So I'm taking my hand past my opposite thigh. Repeat that. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want you to hold the arm to the floor. Hover your bottom leg down. Bring it back to center. Hover back down. Back to center. All right. Oh my gosh, it really hurts in the best way. All right, 4 more. 4. Hurts to laugh, so don't laugh. Center and down. 2 more. Lifting the chest. Okay, we hold that bottom leg to hover. Extend your opposite hand, and can you pulse over the thigh? Option if you want more of a challenge, straighten that supporting leg to sky, pulsing, reaching. 8, 7, 6, 5. Crazy stuff. You're doing it. 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh, all right. Second side. Lift the chest. Opposite hand. Slice it over. All right. So keep it going. Keep it going. Now you may not be able to see me. So you're just reaching the hand. It's the same move. 8, 7. This is all obliques. 6. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that leg down. Hold the arm. Lower the leg to the floor. Bring it back to tabletop. Repeat. So down, 2, and center. Lower down. Bring it up. Hover down. Bring it up. And down. 2 more. So close, finish strong. Hold that leg, reach both arms, little pulses. Reach, option, kick your leg to the sky. Reaching 8, pulse. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tabletop. This is how you finish. Get me right, meet me here, right in this crisscross twist. So close, fire it up. Final counts, final reps. Shoulder, knee, 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh, that was good, guys. Reach your arms out long, find a big stretch, take a deep inhale, and exhale. Oh. Nice. All right, roll yourself up, even if you can. Whew. Barely been able to do that. Thank you so much for working out with me. What a workout. I hope you feel it everywhere. Honestly, that was like everything, abs, obliques, you name it. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and if you do like these workouts, I got tons of new workouts coming your way, and if you do want to join, we have a new membership here on the YouTube channel, so you can take a look at it all in the info box. But if you join the membership, you get some exclusive workouts. We're going to start doing some live workouts as well, and Q&A and all that good stuff. So if you are interested in looking at more exclusive workouts that are totally tailored to you and what you want, just take a look at that membership page and join this awesome community that we have building and that we are creating together, and it means the world. So thank you so much for trusting in me and doing these workouts, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.